My name is Geraldine Perea. I live in San Marcos with my parents and my niece. My mother's name is Berenice Molina and she is 58 years old. She is a housewife. My father's name is Miguel and he is 59 years old. He is a farmer. My niece's name is Julieta. She is 10 years old and she is 50th grade. I also have two brothers. Their names are Alex and Luis. My mother's favorite food is beans and my father's favorite food is sancocho. As a family, we like playing parques, going for walks, shopping, and helping other people. We are a happy and united family.